Hello, friends. In today's lesson, we will talk about psychological tests. Signs of organic brain damage are evident on Halsted rate and battery test. Normal IQ as per Stanford Binet test is 90 to 108. Normal IQ as per Weiss is 90 to 110. Weiss means Western Adult Intelligence Scale. Voice test is IQ test designed to measure intelligence and cognitive ability in adults and older adolescents, typically from age 16 to 90. Stanford Binet test and Bhatia scale are used as intelligence tests. MMPI is an objective personality test. MMPI means Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory. Rorschach's Inkblot Test, Thematic Appreciation Test TAT, and Draw a Person Test DAPT are examples of projective personality test. Thematic Appreciation Test TAT was given by Murray and Morgan. Signs of organic brain damage are evident on Bender Gestalt test. Postain test MMSE is used to follow progression of dementia. MMSE means mini mental state examination. Now come to organic mental disorders. Delirium is marked by clouding of consciousness. The most common cause of delirium in the elderly is use of multiple medications. Delusions in delirium are transient. Delirium and schizophrenia differ from each other by disorientation. Disorientation is a feature of organic brain syndrome. Diffuse bilateral slow waves in EEG activity are seen in delirium. EEG means electroencephalography. Reversible dementia is a feature of hypothyroidism. Most common cause of cortical dementia is Alzheimer's disease. Neurofibrillary tangles with senile plaques are seen in Alzheimer's disease. Slowly progressive disease without much neurological signs is Alzheimer's disease. Korsakoff syndrome, a severe inability to form new memories and a variable inability to recall remote memories. Damage is located in mammillary bodies. Vascular dementia is characterized by disorientation, memory deficit, and emotional lability. Prominent visual hallucinations are suggestive of an organic cause of the behavioral symptoms. Pseudodementia is commonly seen in depression. Apraxia is inability to execute a planned action in presence of normal intact motor cerebellar sensory function. Delirium, sometimes called acute confusional state, and dementias are the most common cause of cognitive impairment, although affective disorders, for example depression, can also disrupt cognitive functions. Delirium affects mainly attention while dementia affects mainly memory. Delirium is typically caused by acute illness or drug toxicity, sometimes life threatening, and is often reversible. Dementia is typically caused by anatomic changes in the brain, has slower onset, and is generally irreversible. Characteristic cognitive impairments in Alzheimer's disease include amnesia, aphasia, agnosia, and apraxia, the four A's. Number of senile plaque in Alzheimer's disease increases with age. Number of neurofibrillary tangles (NFTs) correlates with severity of dementia, and presence of tau protein suggests neurodegeneration. Unlike in Alzheimer's disease (AD), behavioral symptoms predominate in the early stages of FTD. FTD is frontotemporal dementia. Most common autosomal dominantly inherited mutations causing FTD involves the MAPT or GRN genes, both on chromosome 17. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Doctor Entrance Exam.